Hello everyone, in here we have the example of rate of change. A ladder 5 meters long is leaning against a vertical wall. The bottoms of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the constant rate 0.4. How fast will the top of the ladder be falling at the instant when its bottom is 3 meters away from the wall? So now we have to illustrate the situation before we further our discussion. So at first, kindly have the situation where we have xy axis. Here they mention a ladder 5 meters long is leaning against a vertical wall. Let's say the y-axis as the vertical wall and the ladder denoted in a blue color. So now for the horizontal we consider as x and the vertical we consider as y. So now they said the bottom of the ladder pull along the ground away from the wall at the constant rate 0.4. Consider the bottom is pulled away at the rate, so we consider as dx dt. So we assume that to the right is a positive, so dx dt will become 0.4. So as the bottom moving to the right, automatically the top of the wall is going down. So meaning that the dy dt will be estimated as negative value because falling down. How fast will the top of the ladder be falling at the instant when its bottom is 3 meters away from the wall? So meaning that dy dt become our focus when x is equals to 3. So here we have the information. dx dt is equals to 0.4. So kindly have the equation. So in here we notice that we have a right angle triangle. Try to have the situation where we have y and x and here we have 5. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we have 25 is equals to x squared plus y squared. Kindly express the y in terms of x. So rearrange the situation. Y squared will be equals to 25 minus x squared. And y will be equals to square root of 25 minus x squared. Or we can say y is equals to 25 minus x squared power of 1 over 2. Next, what we have to do is to differentiate the situation respect to x. So we will have dy dx is equals to 1 over 2 bracket 25 minus x squared bracket power of negative 1 over 2. Differentiate the internal function and we will have negative 2x. Simplify the situation. Dy dx is equals to negative x over square root of 25 minus x squared. Next, what we have to do is to find the chain rule, or by using the chain rule to find the situation dy dt. dy dt is equals to dx dt multiply with dy dx. So kindly substitute the situation. So dy dt is equals to dx dt. So we have 0.4 which is equals to 4 over 10 multiply with dy dx. So in here we have negative x over square root of 25 minus x squared. So the situation asks us to find the situation when at the instant the bottom is 3 meters away from the wall. So meaning that x is equals to 3. Kindly substitute the situation. So we will have 4 over 10 bracket negative 3 over 25 minus 9. So we will have 16. Square root of 16, we will have 4. So finally, we can simplify the situation and we will have negative 3 over 10 as a dy dt, or we can say dy dt is equals to negative 0.3 m as negative 1, meaning that the top of the ladder will falling down at the rate 0.3 ms negative 1. So here we are, and thanks for watching.